whole area back here, look at this. All of this is brand new. They even have right here in the back, I'll show you guys in a second. Look at this. All the Hello Kitty stuff back there. Look at how cool this is. It's insane that so much has been done. This is insane. But then also there's the Smile Shop over here, which, oh, well, it looks like they closed up the windows. But I got a picture today earlier of the inside there of the window, so I'll post that on a video, guys. Well, basically, even in the Smile Shop here, they had back there, the walls already painted, so I'll put that up on my video. So guys, like, subscribe, all that for Hello Kitty updates, because we'll be here every week until it opens, probably.